Dun, 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 dun. What's up, chat? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How's everyone doing today on this fine morning day? This fine establishment of a day, New York AM session. You guys are trading live with Hamuzi. Hopefully, you guys are all doing good. Let's see. How's everyone doing? Let's go to the 5-minute time frame and see what's been happening here. We have price. Swing high got early, swing low got early. We had entry at about London session about 5:30 a.m. in the morning. All right, YouTube. So I'm gonna post this real quick on my little. I'm gonna post this. That we're live right now. Music. Okay, everyone, like up the stream right now, guys. Like up the stream, chat. Everyone, like up the stream right now, guys. Like up the stream, chat. Let's go, guys. Everyone, like up the stream. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Who's ready for some live trading, guys? Let me know right now, guys. Who's ready? Who's ready, chat? Thank God it's Friday. Who's ready for some live trading, guys? Who's ready? Got my 10K funded today thanks to Hamuzi. Hey, let's go, bro. Let's go. You know how we do this, man. Someone said, "Hey, Hamuzi, I reached my 25K account size. Any tips for contract size, bro? If you're trading on a 25K, you should be using micros. Letting you know, you should be using micros. You should be using like 3 micros per trade around that." Guys, who's excited, man? Who's excited for some live trading with Hamuzi, bro? You guys want me to do gold analysis? You guys want me to look at gold as well? All right, let me look at gold. Gold on the 5 minute, it's showing good structure. So we have nice bearish structure. So on the 5 minute, we had a swing high here that got rated, and then a swing low here that got rated with displacement. So what we can do is if it returns to this fair value gap, either this fair value gap or this fair value gap, we can start looking for shorts. If this even makes a fair value gap or not. So probably this fair value gap. We go to the 15 minute and we'll see it's the same thing. Nice swing high got rated swing low. So we are pretty bearish. Go to the 30 minute. Again, nothing bullish, which is good for us. Hourly, yeah, everything it's looking pretty good so far. Swing low guy, swing high guy. We just have this. The only thing on the hourly is just this one bullish fair value gap. But if we disrespect this one, we'll definitely go down, all the way to these lows. Which means you're taking a risk for a bigger RR. So that's what I see right now. For the person that asked me to look at gold. Hey, appreciate that. So now, all right. So now, me knowing that, I could pop back to the 5 minute, and I want to see that retracement back to this upside. See if we can get price to kind of go into that. Get an SMT, and then we can lock in for our sales, guys. So right now, I'm pretty short on gold. I'm pretty short on gold right now. Uh-huh. Yeah. How can I help you? Yeah, how can I help you? Yeah. Yeah. How much? Yeah. How much do I owe you? What which bell? What address is this connected to? Okay. So okay, and how much is the monthly payment, by the way? Okay. Were you guys using my TD card before? Okay. Okay. Just take my card and then just how are we gonna do this? Yeah, let's pay for it right now. Amex, like platinum. No. All right, can we do this in a bit? Because I'm currently at work right now. Can you call me back at around 11 a.m.? Make a schedule call. If for sure. But if you call back, it's more convenient for me. I'll be honest with you. Okay, so then tell the system to generate another call, and then we'll have a conversation. For sure. I don't like the robots these days. These AIs and stuff. I don't like it. Very, if you're gonna give me a number, let me talk to someone straight to the point. The number you're giving me right now is straight to the point. Okay. What's the number? 1-800.
Yes, 477.
1-800-477.
9205.
9205. Okay, brother. Thank you. Have a beautiful day. Okay.
No problem.
All right.
Stay safe.
All right.
Bye.
Stay safe. Bye. Um. All right, chat. Who's ready to kill the charts, man? Oh, did I leak the number? Oops. Oops, chat. My beautiful people, what's up today, man? Who's ready to do live trading with Hamuzi? Waiting for our setup to happen. Waiting for our setup to happen. Yes, yes. That is the smoke alarm. I have a problem, bro. I have to get a ladder, bro, because Hamuzi has like 12 feet ceilings in his penthouse. So I know what I'm gonna do about this. I definitely can't reach it. Okay, guys, we're going into that thing that I marked out on gold. Now let's go back to the 1 minute time frame. Now the thing is, look, guys, when it comes to like to find the best setup, if you guys want to find the best setup, what you guys want to wait for is you want price to pretty much give you you want price to tap off of. All right, let's go to Nasdaq real quick. I totally forgot about Nasdaq. Nasdaq, nothing interesting. Momentum is just bearish. You know, again, nothing special about Nasdaq. We're just so bearish to the point where we're just like so bearish. Like you can't really just we're just bearish. Like what can I say, man? Just bearish. I think price is making a bullish fair value gap, so then it can disrespect it, and Nasdaq can continue going down. Um, I'm looking at Nasdaq, but I think gold is the better option for me right now. They're both moving pretty dookie. Not gonna lie. I mean, all that winning we were doing yesterday. I mean, I'm not surprised, bro. All that winning we were doing yesterday, I'm not surprised. We have an internal SMT. Just a little mini internal SMT. This is the SMT right here. Well, 30-second GIFPG. You can tell when PA is kind of ugly, you know. You get your 6 cents. But yeah, if I'm price, I would go for this little swing low right here. Remember, guys, very ugly PA. Like if you go to the 1 minute, you guys know barcodes. This is literally a barcode. Well, make sure you have more things telling you to look for sells than you do for buys. You know what I'm saying? For everyone that's like, yo, what is he trading? Right now, I'm looking at Nasdaq at this moment. We're bouncing off of a 4-hour rejection block here, right? But the rejection block should be overlapped by a fair value gap at least, though. I don't know. I don't see a fair value gap that's being overlapped with. Maybe go to the daily. I don't know, man. I got 2 sells on gold, both W's. What time is it? 9:54. This looks like the structure of the market is bearish. Like I don't like the structure of the market is bearish. Usually it should go for a low. It could have been this low and now it could go up, or it could be this low and then it can go up. But I hate this type of market. Like it's giving us a very strong bearish structure, but it's near the end of it though. It's near the end of the structure. Yeah. Okay, gold tapped into it now. Now we gotta check if there's an S&P on silver. We have a clean S&P. Eyes on gold right now. But where's the opposite fair value gap? Disrespect. 2 minute. There's a 2 minute opposite fair value gap. There's a 3 minute that's a little bit lower than a 2 minute. Okay, if we can close below this, then we can enter in for sales on gold. Okay, on gold. All right, but the only problem is we might have to enter on the second closure, because how many points from closure here to the next swing low is 63 points. It's too much. Nasdaq, again, we're reacting negatively off of this 5 minute bearish fair value gap. See the 2 minute, 3 minute. Yeah, there's no opposite fair value gap. No, there's no BPR because there's no. Where's the fair value gap? I don't see any fair value gap here. Nothing. Okay, good news for gold. It's not even a swing high. Okay, gold is bouncing off of a 1 hour bullish fair value gap. Okay. So gold already has that as its support level. On the 3 minute, we have a swing low that got rated. Okay. And then right after, we have a swing high that got rated. So that's right here. That's going to be our market structure shift. Alhamdulillah. So that's our shift in structure. Okay. Swing low that got rated, swing high that got rated. So we want to see if there makes a fair value up in the 3 or the 5 minute. I would do the 5 minute, but there's no swing high at all in this range, which isn't a good thing. Honestly, that could just mean that we could just get this continuation of this bearish fair value because there's no swing high on the 5 minute. On the 3 minute, yes. On everything else, no. So this is called the Sanders, guys. Two different things telling you two different things. Like we're on a 1 hour bullish fair value gap, but price is telling us that the reason why I'm going to look for shorts on this is because at least the 5 and the 15 align with a clear market structure shift. Swing high got rated, boom. Swing low got rated, boom. Like that causes it. This is the market structure shift. We just stick with that with 5 minute as the minimum. That's the market structure shift. That's the SMT. So I want closure below this, and then we can look for sells. So eyes on gold. Let me send this on the signal group. Eyes on gold. AKA GC. No closure below. No closure below. Check SMT again, chat. SMT still holding strong. It's pretty strong SMT. You know why price is doing this? Because on the 3-minute, we have a market structure shift to the upside. You get what I'm saying, chat? So on the 3-minute, we have a market structure shift to the upside. So that's why price is acting up like this right now. Made another SMT. Okay, get ready to sell, guys. Once we close below here, check the 2-minute real quick. 3-minute. Okay, yeah. So once we close below here, guys, we want to enter for sells. Closure here, stop loss, just at that body. And right here we have 32 seconds, and yeah, it's gonna be a beautiful trade. Get a little nice 1 to 2. Remember, guys, it has to close. Once it closes below here, I'll let you know. Then we can enter for sales. It needs to officially close below here. Yep. Get ready, guys. Get ready. Eyes on gold. Get ready. We got 10 seconds left. We want closure below here. The lower it closes, the better. We don't want to pull him back up. Okay, get ready. Oh, whoa. No, no, no. Don't enter. It did not close. It did not close. You see how it did not close inside here? You have to let it escape and close, and then we can go for sales. So again, gotta be patient for it. And then I'll put our sell right here. Again, wait for closure. I'll tell you. Wait for closure. We have to let it close. And you have to let it close strong. Again, didn't close. Okay. Let it close. Okay, guys, eyes on NASDAQ. Get ready. 3 and sells. Oh, that was an ugly one. I hate the way this one closed, bro. I looked down for a second, bro. It's fine. It's fine. Enter for sells. I hate the way it closed with this Wix. We have our SL here, TP. We'll target down to the swing low. There could be some. See, this is going to become a rejection block now. This is going to become a rejection block. I hate it when the Wixes are like this. I can move my SL just a bit. That'll be just a little bit in play move. Make it a bit offside, just a bit right here. This became a rejection block. When the body closes, chat, I want it to close like this. This will make it strong, right? But the SMT is very wide over here. But this would make it a stronger closure. So, let me send. See right here, these little equal lows right here. I really want to close half and move my SL higher because of the 3-minute market structure shift. I think it's gonna go a bit above SL and then take out these equal lows. And because of the way it closed, this is gonna act like a rejection block. So these are my equal lows. You can target this medium threshold. And then Oops. What was it? Oh, nice, nice, nice. Yeah, we took out those equal lows in like 2 seconds. Okay, we close below these equal lows. Stop. Okay, you guys can move stop loss to break even now. Move stop loss to break even. This is a risk-free trade. Risk-free trade. And let me send this screenshot properly. Copy image. Paste image. I want you guys to trill your SL right about like at your break-even level. So if it returns back here, then you don't lose or you don't win. You're at pretty much break even. Okay. Break even hit. Hi bro. Late but on time, bro. What's good, bro? How you doing, man? Yeah, it went for these little equal lows. That's what I wanted. Did we get punished for moving ourselves to break even too quick? I don't think so. I think that was a good move, honestly, because equal lows were the strongest liquidity point. After it takes out the strongest liquidity point, what do you think is gonna go up or down? Think about it. Think about it. Yeah, for my students, it's a break even trade. Oh, yellow line would have been tagged. It's one of those ones. You just gotta accept what happened. All right, that was the yellow line I wanted. That was the yellow line I wanted. How many of you guys got hit at break even? How many of you guys got hit at BE? Still in? Well, if you're still in, then at least you close on the yellow line. You know what I'm saying? Because then at least that's your 1-to-1 area, right? Let's take a look at NASDAQ. Swing low got rated. No swing high got rated. Look at gold again. See, yellow line would have been perfect. We had break even. No, NQ, there's no market structure shift. We have to wait until this high gets closed above, and then we can look for buys. So you seen the GTA 6 delay? I'm not really like deep into games like that, bro. My only game is trading, bro. That's my game. Um, very ugly price action. Damn, look at gold, bro. Gold would have been fire. Would have been a fire setup, bro. These ones, it happens to us. We gotta accept it, bro. Because sometimes break even saves us, and there will be rare days when that happens. But I have a feeling some of you guys. This is you see, wow. See how price just bounced off of that rejection area right there. Measure from here to here, right there, right at that. Had a strong reaction. We want this fair value gap to get respected, and then, oops. We want this fair value gap to get respected, and then price should go. You can see that right there. Boom. and that should be an onside. It's a little up close candle, close below it while taking out a type of high. Shows momentum in price. That's the candle right there. Don't say it will go down. If you say price will go down, it's gonna go up. Only Hamuzi can say if it goes up or down. Okay, it's going down. That's funny. Um, it's going up then. It's going down. Going up. It's going down. Going up. This was a break even though, guys. This was a break even. Um, break evens can be good sometimes, guys. Break even puts you in. It helps you survive long enough. Remember, the goal in trading is to survive long. That's your objective. That's your goal. Your goal is just to survive. Your goal is to just survive. Break even helps you survive. Break even removes losses, removes a lot of things. But it's just funny to me how this key rejection area, right here, central point. I want us to get a real setup right now. I'm waiting for us to get a real setup. Okay, now price is either gonna go up or go down and melt or pump. It's gonna do either or. It can't be consolidating for this long without making some type of strong impulse move. Hey, bro, what's your net worth? My net worth is my network. Yes, sir, bro. There's no need for me to show off, bro. That's why I do live trading. So you guys can just kind of just see the results live. Why do I need to show off? I don't need to show off. Yeah. No, break even just got hit. Okay, let's clear everything out. Swing high got rated. Swing low got rated. It's a market structure shift like that causes at least behind the fair value gap. I didn't take a loss. That was a break even trade. Ew, it's an ugly price. Let's see if gold will retap into this 5 minute. How to overcome FOMO? Have conviction in your strategy. You have FOMO because you don't have conviction in your strategy. Okay, you know what I think is gonna happen, chat? I'm gonna be honest. I think type price is gonna tap back into this 5 minute, and then we're gonna get our setup going down. I think this fair value gap is gonna get respected. Like this, price gonna come into this high. Then once we tap into this high, then we can get our hopefully our GIFG. Hopefully it doesn't rip up through and breaks the high. I hope not. And then we can start going for ourselves. That's what I want. And then we take all this lows. I don't think so. I don't think it's gonna go. Yeah, I knew it. And that beeping sound is it makes it every time we make money. I like that. Whoever said that. That's a good one. That's the sound of money. You see that? You see how it doesn't want to disrespect this thing? It does not want to make it a GIFG. I told you, chat. Like up the stream, chat. Like up the stream. Swing low with a rejection block. Holy. Swing low followed by a rejection block. Let's see what price does to this area. And the way the candles are. Wow, this looks like a movie, bro. This looks like a movie. Look how perfectly aligned this key level is. Yo, something about this level is just giving. I'm gonna explain it. Oh, chat, we finally tapped into it. Eyes on gold. We have an SMT. No, no, no. Make this gold. 11 seconds left, chat. Yeah, we have SMT. Get ready to sell, guys. Get ready, get ready, get ready. Eyes on NASDAQ. Get ready to sell. And sell on gold. Sell gold. Sell gold. Sell gold. Sell gold. Sell gold. Entry is going to be here on this closure. Stop loss is going to be about right here with that GIFEG. We're aiming for a 1 to 2 area. Yeah, we have this, we have this, we have this. We have this back to 1 minute. Boom. Okay, guys, I'm gonna maybe mark out my yellow line where you guys can take your profit. All right. Oh wow, this is looking nice. Oh, looks like that. This. Oh damn! I can't, bro. I can't even. All right, 1 to 1 definitely got hit, guys. 1 to 1 definitely got hit. One to one got hit. Swept that liquidity so easily. Right there, easily. We're gonna move SL to break even for 1 to 2. All right, so stop loss move to break even for 1 to 2 traders, and boom, that's it. Tagged out. Most 100% this line. I should have marked this out yellow, but same thing. Absolutely clean play. Absolutely clean play, chat. I don't know if you guys all heard me say sell, 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 sell. Hopefully you guys did. Did you guys hear me say that or no? Did you hear me say that? We can measure again, see if your 1 to 1 got hit. Let's go back here to where SL was. And we want to make sure our ratio says 1. So as long, look at that. It's way more than 1.5 even. I want as low as 1.5. All right, all we want for the one-to-one close is right here. So this is perfect. This area right here to close. All right, so that area was perfect. That was already at one-to-one. And yeah. So one-to-one, guys, you hit your full TP, making you guys really up for the day a lot. Well, we're up for the day. Actually, no. I think that was the only W. The other one-to-one didn't hit. We just moved SL to break even. So this is just one W, 2 break evens. Ah, did I say sell gold? Oh, okay. That was nice. How many of you guys made money on this? How many of you guys made money on this? How many of you guys made money? How many of you guys made break even? Let me see. BE, profit, BE. Let me know right now in the chat. The one-to-one guys are up 7.5 R for the week now. Okay, so break even, profit, break even. Yo, also guys, don't worry, bro. What's better, a break even or a loss? What's better, chat? One-to-one, nice. One-to-one guys are up pretty good. Yeah, you said sell gold. Okay, good. Just wanted to make sure. So I said sell gold, right, chat? Just want to make sure if I said it or not. I don't know if I was clear. Did Hamuzi say sell gold like multiple times or no? Oh, what the heck? Someone said no, chat. Be better than a loss, right, bro? Yeah, 100%, bro. I said NQ, then I corrected to gold so quick. I quickly corrected it to gold, right? Like right away. Um, guys, did I say NQ or did I say gold? What the heck? My chart is on gold. Can't you guys see gold, GC, and NQ? So right here, this is GC. So if I'm on gold, it's how gold looks like. By the way, our 1 to 2 would have been hit. But it's fine. Nah, it's cap. Guys, the first trade I set up for was the first trade on NASDAQ or gold? The first trade, was it NASDAQ or gold? I'm not gonna say anything. Chat, you guys say it yourself. The first trade, was it NASDAQ or gold? I want to hear what chat has to say. Was it NASDAQ or gold? Did I say no? But did I say NQ or did I say gold? Can someone rewind the stream? I want to make sure. Did I say NQ or did I say gold? What did I say? Did I say NASDAQ or gold for the first trade? Did I obviously say gold? Or if not, can you guys also see my screen? Are you guys 100% sure for the first trade? The one that hit break even? Can someone rewind it and find out? I'm pretty sure I said gold. I'm pretty sure I said gold for the first trade. What did I say? Did I say gold or NQ? The first trade. I think it was gold, right? Yo, even if I say gold or NQ, guys, can't you guys see my screen where it says gold right here? GC gold. Can you guys all see my screen? Anyways, what did I say, chat? I really want to know. Okay, I said gold. You reviewed it 2 times. Not this trade. The trade before, the very first trade. Did I say gold? The first trade was gold, correct. But did I say that? I hope I did. I want to make sure. I need you guys to do research. Don't just agree to agree. Rewind the stream, guys. Rewind the stream. I said gold, right? I said GC. I said gold. I never mentioned NQ the first time. Ah, okay, very good. Yes, I have done it. Gold. I have reviewed it 2 times. Rewinding. Okay, rewind. Okay, everyone rewind and let me know. Rewind and let me know, chat. Okay, let's see what you say. And if you rewinded and checked and you found out, let me know. Let me see. Let's see what the chat has to say. Yo, Hamuzi, the first gold trade you took, before you entered the trade, you said eyes on NASDAQ on the GC chart. I did, guys? I said that? I said eyes on NASDAQ? And then I was looking at NASDAQ. But then did I switch to gold after? Did I switch to GC? Okay, I have a question. Can you guys not see my freaking screen? Like it says GC right here on my screen chat, and I'm putting the execution on GC. Like, come on, chat. But did I announce that it's a gold trade at least for the first one? Did I announce it was a gold trade? Bro, you're the first person that introduced me to fair value, guys. Thank you. No problem, bro. Even if you said eyes on NASDAQ, but people must look into the chart and must know which pair they are trading. And if they don't look into that, that means they are not attentive or have lack of attention. I agree. They just sick, they didn't catch it. Whoever executed the wrong pair, that's on them. Yeah, guys, you got to compare your chart, bro. What looks like in what. Because I'm sure I also said, like gold, sell gold, no? Or some shit like that. So you think these guys should at least take the small initiative of looking at what pair I'm trading on my screen at least, right? You have to have edge in your strategy, bro. Anyways, guys, how was today, bro? How was today? Good? Was today good? Bro, we do this live, bro. I can't feel it. How was today? Good chat? We do this live, bro. It was an okay day, 1-1. 0 losses, by the way. There's no way you could have lost today. I'm gonna be honest with you. the least that could have happened was break even because both trades hit like TP after break even. For full TP getters. And if you did, it's so sweet, super minor. But anyways, how has the trades been? Was it good? There's no way, guys. 0 losses. Thank you very much. Arrow Trace has 0 losses. Yeah, it should match exactly. Thank God it's Friday. Hamuzi's live, yes sir. So out of everyone, only one person is in the negative. Interesting. How many of you guys closed that 1-to-1 and at least took profits from the market? For me, 1 break even, 1 W. Let's go, Wasim. Wasim, you've been copying my trades for a long time, so you've been in the signal group. Wasim, you're in the signal group, right? I think, if I'm not mistaken. You've been copying my trades for a long time, so you're very quick. You do 1-to-1 very quick. Monthly statistics. Do you guys want to see the stats for the month? What we're at? You guys want to see the monthly statistics? Um, let's go to Google Sheets. What's good, Ibrahim? What's up, bro? Good job, by the way. Very good job. Okay, let's go to the analytical dashboard. And let's go to, let's see, because I have a third party. These are all the stats, by the way, in the signal group, guys. These are all the stats in the signal group, okay? These are all the stats in the signal group. So far, we're in the month of November, right, chat? We are currently up in the month of November. This is yesterday. So with yesterday's stats, for the guys that close their trades at 1-to-1, you're up 6.5 R. You're up 6.5 R for focus. You're up 6.5 R for the week. This was yesterday's setup, right? This is yesterday's stat line. So 6.5 R for the week. It's only been a week. So that means for the month, you're up 6.5 R. And for the guys at 1-to-2, you're up 8.5 R. Today, we did not take any W's when it comes to the 1-to-2 setup. They were both break evens. So that means the monthly is still stuck at 8.5 R for 1-to-2. But 1-to-1 is at 7.5 R because we took 1 W for the 1-to-1. The first trade was not a W at 1-to-1 because I said move stop loss to break even before we hit 1-to-1. So the first one, we're not counting that as a W. That's a break even. The second one, we smashed 1-to-1.5, right? But I'm still underlining it to 1-to-1. So at 1-to-1, we're up 7.5 R for the month of November, 7.5%. And then we're up 8.5% for 1-to-2 R. So our stats is amazing. One of the best in the industry. But you guys have to be attentive when you guys copy my trades. You have to look at your own chart. Make sure that we're on the same chart. Does that make sense? Right? Make sure we're on the same chart. I don't want to watermark it here. If I'm gonna watermark it, has to be somewhere up here or some shit like that. Because I'm not watermarking it right here. It has to be up here. Does that make sense, chat? So our stats are insane. These are all trades sent out in the signal group. So again, if you risk 1%, you'll be up 6.5%, 7.5% for the week. If you risk up 0.5%, you'll be half of that. About 3.5, 3.75% for the week. If it's 2%, which I don't recommend, by the way, it'll be up 14%. But again, I don't recommend that. So yeah, guys, yo, we are. This is crazy, bro. Every trade collected. Um, ah. Um, Nasdaq. Yes, the silver. Yo, Nasdaq, bro. No setup on Nasdaq, but only on That's crazy, bro. I tweaked my strategy, chat. That made us our win rate increase a lot for the month of November. I did something. I did something. All right, guys. How was today's trade? Was it good? How was the second gold trade? Good, guys. W's in the chat. Break evens in the chat. Very crappy market, and we still managed to pull something out. You know what I'm saying, chat? Not the greatest market. You know, and we still managed to pull something out. Great job. Remember, guys, always look at my chart. The fact that how many of you guys took the last trade on gold, even though apparently I said eyes on Nasdaq, whatever. How many of you guys still took it on gold? Why did you take it on gold? Because you guys are attentive. I took it on gold. I took it on gold. Okay. Okay, chat. Time for a giveaway. I'm gonna do a giveaway, and you guys, I'm gonna do a giveaway AquaFunded, and you guys get ready. You guys ready? The first person that wins the first 10K giveaway, who's been active in the chat? Stunna G. I'm gonna pin you so then you can. All right, guys. Stunna G. He 10K account. So timestamp this. Show it to the open a ticket on AquaFunded that you won the 10K account. Let's see who else. Who else has been active in the chat? I think Aero Trades has been active. You get yourself a 10K funded account. You've been active. Price Action was active. You get yourself a 10K funded account. You were active. Who else was active in the chat? Unorthodox was pretty active. Oh, oops. Where's Unorthodox? Oh, I guess he just disappeared. Okay, yeah. You were active in the chat. So you were very good. Active in the chat. Who else? Ibrahim! You're gonna use this to practice, bro. Ibrahim, you're gonna use this to practice, all right? Get yourself a 10K account. This will be like your little paper trading account. Treat it like a paper trading account. Ibrahim is in my one-on-one, very good student. But treat this like a paper trading account. Congratulations. And one more winner. Who did not win already? Who did not win? Who did not win? Who did not win? Yeah, he was pretty active. I don't think he won as well. Okay, guys, these are all the winners. What I want you guys to do, how to claim your $10,000 funded account. I want you guys to, to pretty much claim your 10,000 funded account. You guys have to go to the Discord, go to the AquaFunded Discord, and then from there, click the link and join the Discord, open a ticket, and then show them proof. Like, look, this is the timestamp that I won the giveaway. This is my username. This is proof that it's my YouTube account. Blah 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 blah. And all of that stuff. Okay, give my account to someone else, bro. Yeah, you're right. I'm gonna get you a bigger account, anyways. Okay. Who else? Ibrahim is giving away his account. What a nice person. Let's see. Someone want to give away Ibrahim, one of my one-on-one students, and he wants to give it away. So that means a new winner can be activated now. Let's see who is gonna win. Who's been active? Who's been active? Who's been active? Let me see who's been active in the chat. This is why I tell you guys always be active in the chat, man. There's pros to this shit. Who's been active in the chat? Who's been active in the chat? Everyone's saying Abhishek, but I don't even see his username. He's not even commenting. Who's been active in the chat? I gotta see usernames. I don't see Abhishek. Has Abhishek been active in the chat? I think maybe the next live stream for Abhishek. Maybe the next live stream because I don't think she's been too active. Because I don't remember. Okay, Ibrahim, you can pick someone. Ibrahim, pick the winner. Okay, Ibrahim is gonna choose the winner, chat. Who's the winner? Who did Ibrahim choose? Ibrahim chose. Who did Ibrahim choose? He chose who? Ibrahim chose who? Osama? Who did Ibrahim choose, chat? Who did Ibrahim choose? Ibrahim chose Amasha. Where's Amasha? Okay. Amasha Sa. All right, claim it. Show proof that you won in the Discord. And that's it, man. Big congratulations. Enjoy. Love you guys. Take care. Have a beautiful day. I'm gonna catch you guys soon. All right, guys. Take care, guys. Peace out. And if you guys want, you guys can join the live on TikTok. I'm live right now on TikTok. I'll say my goodbyes over there as well. If you guys want to join the TikTok, I'm live over there at Hamuzi Prime. I love you guys. Clocking out now on YouTube. Take care.